Hidden in the heart of Birmingham, Alabama, stands the haunting remains of Sloss furnaces, a place where the line between history and horror becomes chillingly blurred. For nearly 90 years, these massive iron furnaces churned out molten metal, but they also claimed countless lives in the most horrific ways imaginable. The most notorious story centers around James Slag Wormwood, a cruel foreman who forced his crews to take dangerous risks during the graveyard shift. Workers would often slip on the treacherous catwalks, plunging into vats of molten iron below. Some say Wormwood drove more than 50 men to their deaths, but karma had other plans. In October 1906, Wormwood himself mysteriously lost his footing and fell into furnace number 1. His body literally melted away, leaving nothing behind. Here's where it gets even creepier. Workers began reporting supernatural encounters. They'd feel invisible hands pushing them on the catwalks, hear screams echoing through empty chambers, and see a shadowy figure with glowing red eyes. Today, Sloss Furnaces is a National Historic Landmark, but the hauntings haven't stopped. Security guards quit, refusing to work night shifts. Visitors capture unexplainable photos, and some swear they can still hear Wormwood's sinister laugh echoing through those ancient iron chambers, a chilling reminder of its dark and deadly past.